Good.
At least it's not raining yet.
Yeah.
Not late this time, we're just casually coming in.
You're right.
Can't see my mouth. See my best friend.
Yeah, they're a mess, and it's really annoying me.
In the wind, go on. Oh, look at that. Yes, you didn't say that.
Feeling so brave. I'm back up. No more pictures, please.
Match ball for Friday. Nice, well done.
Yeah, 10 seconds. Yeah, quick. Go.
Oh, nice! Great save. Yes, Fox, let's get your setting quick.
Oh, lovely stuff.
Make sure everyone touches it. Everyone touch it.
Go on, Jokes! Yes!
Oh, it has to stay up. And again.
You can't move when the chicken's in your hand. Let's go. Gotta move it quickly. You're trying to get close to the I wanted to have yourselves a drink, guys. We have 4 lines on the way back through. And then just into a bit of a poppy A skip. Less. And then just a little bit of a poppy A skip. Make sure there's a scrape with the foot. So as you pull through, you're trying to get some horizontal projection.